Greetings. May the 9th, 2015, 9:38 p.m. This is Minister David Ben Ahayah from the Church of Ecumenical Redemption International. I'm coming to you with this private communication from Madeleine Meilleur, acting as the Attorney General of Canada. Acting as the Attorney General of Ontario. I'm communicating with you privately today, Madeleine, to bring you into awareness of certain facts. The fact is, I'm a Christian minister of the King James Bible. The same King James Bible that Her Majesty the Queen swore to defend. The same Queen that you swore an oath to, Madeleine. Her Majesty the Queen has promised to defend the laws of God. The law of God says, "Thou shalt show no respect of persons." In James 2:9 it says, if you show respect of persons, you're a sinner, convinced of the law of the transgressors. Now, I follow God and I stand with Christ and Christ alone. And it turns out that the government of Canada, the government of Ontario, the government of Alberta, the government of British Columbia, and all the other provincial governments involved, including the United States government and all of the 50 states, are all corporations. I have proof of the registration of the Corporation of Canada with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, and of the Ontario government in the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. That is why I'm bringing this video to you, and that is why I'm bringing you into awareness of my faith and beliefs in the King James Bible. This is the Bible the Queen defends, and this is the Bible that I stand with and I will hold as the law of the land. Within the Bible it says that we should obey God rather than men. And I'm letting you know right now that I can't consent to a false God government. Because this corporation, this person, as defined in the Interpretations Act, Section 35, a person is a corporation. This Bible points to that truth in James 2:9, that if I bow down and consent to being a person, then I'm convinced that I'm a sinner and I must obey man's law. Well, now we all know in Colossians 2 that the blood of Christ redeemed me from man's law. Because the corporation known as Canada and Ontario have added to God's law, contrary to Deuteronomy 4:2, and that's how we identify false gods. A man or a government can become a false god. I'm letting you know right now that I am a man under God. I do not consent to this government. Your laws don't apply to me. And I am a Christian minister, even protected by your own laws, 423176180. Not that I make use of your laws, I simply just bring you into awareness of these laws because they could be a trap for yourself. Ezekiel 33:1-10 tells me that I'm to let my brothers and sisters know if they're going to fall into a hole in the law. So I bring you this private communication. I give you 15 days to rebut the facts that I brought forth. If you can't rebut the facts, then you simply agree. And your failure to respond will prove me right. You can reach me at 289-237-3313. You can also reach me at Ahayah Ministries, AHAHAY. I'm sorry, can you pass me that little envelope there? Let me write this one down. There's my email. Ahayah Ministries, AHAYAH Ministries@gmail.com. The facts that I require you to rebut honorably is the fact that I am a person in law, which is untrue. I'm not. I don't consent to being a person. I need you to prove otherwise. I need you to prove that I am a person, and that there's somewhere in the law that requires me to be or show respect to persons. I need you to prove the King James Bible wrong, and I need you to show me what law gives you the authority to intimidate Christian ministers, or allow your agents to intimidate Christian ministers, causing a nuisance against them, preventing me from practicing what's common to Her Majesty's subjects, simply practicing my faith in the King James Bible. An honorable rebuttal to these facts, and I will consent. Failure to do so, and you agree. You have 15 days from the date that I've given you at the beginning of this video to reply. Again, it's May 9th, 2015. I look forward to hearing you. Thank you.